8 mark. What are the important of organizing? Suppose you want to organize a function or a marriage or a party or it's a college function or whatever it is. What is the importance? If you do, what you will get? That is a question. For 8 mark they will ask, what are the importance of organizing? There are 7 points. First, specialization. That means benefit of specialization takes place. Benefit of specialization. Next one, the working relation. Working relation, you will get it. There is a relation between, you will work with different people of different, and you will get a clarity idea. Clarity in working relation. Third point, you have a lot of resources. How to use optimum level. Optimum level means you should not waste it, right? And how much material, manpower, time factor, all these things you have to utilize, so that there should not be waste, right? Next, because of that you will get an administration knowledge, that is effective administration knowledge. Not only that, your personality, you will become a good personality. That means personality development. That means you will get new ideas, innovations and all, you will get it. And again, if there is a change, you will be adapted for the change. Whenever there is some change, you will get adapted. 7th one is what? There is a growth and expansion of entrepreneur, right? All these things happens. Therefore, all these points you have to remember. I'll tell you how to do this. Each one 2 marks they'll ask you. If you write only the heading, at least 3 mark out of 8 you'll get it. I'll tell you how to write the heading, or 4 mark. Look, importance of organizing. Benefit of specialization. I said no. Benefit of specialization. Next, clarity in working relation. Working relation. Clarity in working relation. Then resources. Optimum utilization of resources like material, man, time and all that. Then effective administration. You become a good administrator, how to manage things and all. Then development of personality. Because your personality develops, you get new idea, innovative ideas, new methods you'll find out, development of ideas. And adoption to change. Whenever there is a change, you get adopted immediately quick, so that you will have a survival skill. Somehow you will survive in spite of problems. Then there is a growth, expansion of the business, growth and diversification of the business. All these things you take it. Then you follow. Again I'll tell you importance of organization. Organizing. What you will get? What is the importance? For 8 mark at least now you got 4 mark. So remember. You write it in the short form and mug up. It will be easy. What is that? Benefit of specialization. Then clarity in working condition, working relation, optimum use of resources, effective administration, development of personals, and adaptation to the change, so that you will get a survival skill, and growth and expansion and diversification. All these things are there. 2-3 times you write and tell at least 4 mark, only heading. But in the examination, sometimes they'll ask benefit of specialization. Write a note for 2 marks, you can do it. Now go through this. take the screenshot, cover, do 3-4 times.